Dear friends, when discussing the most dangerous and fearsome animals that roam the vast and sun-scorched plains of the African savanna, the first creatures that come to mind are often the iconic predators. The majestic lion, long hailed as the king of beasts, is usually the front-runner, commanding respect with its powerful build and commanding roar. Others may think of the silent but deadly crocodiles lurking just beneath the water's surface in the murky swamps, ready to lunge at unsuspecting prey. Or perhaps the elusive leopard, with its unmatched stealth and precision in ambush, masterfully navigating through thickets and trees to strike with lethal force. But amidst these giants of the food chain, there exists another predator, one often overlooked, misunderstood, and even maligned. Yet in terms of sheer boldness, ferocity, and relentless survival instinct, it stands shoulder to shoulder with the most formidable hunters on the continent. That animal is the spotted hyena. Often dismissed as lowly scavengers or cowardly thieves of the savanna, spotted hyenas are, in truth, among the fiercest and most strategic predators in the animal kingdom. With razor-sharp teeth, powerful jaws capable of crushing bone, and an unwavering determination, these creatures are far more than opportunists. They are calculating, brutal, and fearless. Spotted hyenas have no qualms about stealing freshly caught prey from lions, launching surprise attacks on leopards, or even committing acts of cannibalism. If a lion cub strays too far from the pride, or if a weakened hyena falls behind, the pack will not hesitate. Scientifically named Crocuta crocuta, the spotted hyena, commonly known as the laughing hyena, is the largest of all hyena species. Native to sub-Saharan Africa, they thrive across a broad range of environments, from wide-open savannas and dry semi-deserts to the cool, windswept highlands of East Africa. Their adaptability to such varied ecosystems is a key to their evolutionary success. These muscular predators can stand nearly 1 meter tall at the shoulder and weigh up to 85 kilograms, with some females reaching even greater sizes. Intriguingly, female hyenas are not only larger but also more aggressive than males, and they sit at the top of the social hierarchy. This matriarchal structure is rare among mammals and gives rise to a unique and sometimes perplexing set of biological traits. One of the most iconic and eerie characteristics of the spotted hyena is its vocalization. Their signature call, often described as maniacal laughter, can be heard echoing across the savanna at night. To many first-time listeners, it's a bone-chilling sound that conjures images of madness. But for those who know the language of the wild, each laugh, cackle, whoop, or grunt has meaning. These calls are used for communication, to signal danger, to call for reinforcements, to coordinate hunts, or even as part of mating rituals. In local cultures, this sound is deeply familiar, woven into folklore and often feared. Individually, a lone hyena may not stand a chance against a lion. But hyenas are not solitary by nature. They form large, complex clans that can number up to 80 individuals, working together with a level of coordination that rivals the finest military units. When hunting in groups, hyenas can outmatch even the most formidable predators, including lions and leopards. Their success lies in speed, teamwork, and incredible endurance. Prey animals that can outrun a lion may eventually fall to a hyena pack that simply refuses to quit. Their preferred targets vary from medium-sized antelope and zebras to wildebeest and buffalo. But under the right circumstances, especially when numbers are in their favor, they will take down animals as massive as young elephants or rhinos. It's a shocking display of strategy and savagery, where the pack works as one, wearing down the prey with relentless pressure before delivering the final blow. Yet perhaps what makes hyenas most notorious is their talent for theft. Opportunistic to the core, they're expert trackers who can read the signs of the wild with astonishing precision. A circling group of vultures overhead? That's the beacon of a potential meal. The hyenas waste no time. They follow the scent, the sounds, the silence, and strike when the moment is right. Their ability to exploit weakness and chaos is unmatched. Imagine this scene: a powerful male lion, separated from his pride, ventures too deep into hyena territory. The moment he's spotted, the hyenas close in. What begins as cautious stalking quickly escalates into a merciless siege. Dozens of hyenas circle the lion, each darting in and out with calculated precision, biting, nipping, probing for weakness. The lion roars, swipes, and slashes, but the numbers are against him. One by one, they wear him down. And despite his strength and fury, the king is dethroned, not by a single mighty foe, but by the sheer force of the many. Even the elusive leopard, a predator famed for its cunning, is not safe. After securing a kill and dragging it high into a tree, the leopard rests, preparing to eat. But if a hyena appears, even alone, the balance of power can shift. With bold aggression, the hyena charges, snatches the prize, and devours it. The leopard, knowing better than to risk injury, retreats into the shadows, outmatched not in strength, but in sheer fearlessness. One of the most fascinating and disturbing aspects of hyena biology lies in their reproductive anatomy. Female spotted hyenas possess what scientists call a pseudopenis, an extended clitoris that closely resembles the male organ in both form and function. This makes it nearly impossible to distinguish males from females at first glance. But this adaptation comes at a cost. Mating is awkward and often dangerous, while childbirth is fraught with complications. The birth canal runs through this pseudopenis, leading to high mortality rates among newborns, and in some tragic cases, even the mothers die in labor due to tearing. Despite centuries of bad press, fueled by myths, misinterpretations, and cultural biases, modern science has revealed the true nature of the spotted hyena. They are not cowardly freeloaders, but highly intelligent, social, and effective predators. In fact, studies show that more than 95% of their food is obtained through hunting, not scavenging. Their complex clan dynamics, ability to problem solve, and long memory set them apart as one of the most remarkable carnivores on Earth. They are perfectly capable of killing lion cubs, raiding nests, taking down injured animals, and eliminating any careless creature that crosses their path. With superior coordination, communication, and a total lack of mercy, they enforce a strict social order, one that prizes dominance, cunning, and the will to survive above all else. So the next time you hear that chilling laughter echoing in the night, remember, behind the sound is not a clown or a fool, but a master predator, a warrior of the wild, honed by evolution into one of the savanna's most efficient killers. That is the true face of the spotted hyena, not a mere scavenger skulking in the shadows, but a blood-soaked survivor, a cunning strategist, and one of Africa's most misunderstood apex predators. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If this video thrilled you, taught you something new, or changed the way you see nature, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another wild and eye-opening episode of our documentary series. Until next time, stay curious, stay wild.